So we do have sick animals in the shelter, either at intake or that develop disease once they've been sheltered for a while. And so our veterinary care team needs to have protocols for treating animals. And some diseases are highly treatable, and we should really be aggressive about it. So here's a puppy with scabies. And with just a couple weeks of parasite medication, we can see a completely recovered puppy that would be considered healthy and an adorable new pet for someone. And then we have other more complicated diseases. We heard earlier from Texas about generalized demodex, and this is a tough disease to beat, and some adult dogs really can't beat it. It's going to be a chronic disease. But with some long-term care, many of them can resolve, and this little dog is in its new home after very extensive treatment for demodex. In fact, this dog went to foster care for its treatment because we knew it would be a long time, and like you always hope with your foster parents, they end up keeping it. So we consider foster failures to be a wonderful success. And it's so great at the veterinary school because every year we get 80 new foster homes, and they all take something. And then there's more chronic rehabilitation that shelters need to be able to perform under veterinary guidance. This is a neglected, starved dog, and we know that severely starved dogs need a special medical plan so that we don't induce a condition called refeeding syndrome, which can be fatal. And of course, this is this puppy in her new home, quite fattened up and happy. Our veterinary care team needs to have access to surgery, whether it's available in the shelter itself or provided through local veterinary clinics. It's a common sight for us to see these embedded collars in backyard dogs. And they can look very, very severe when animals first come in, but they tend to heal up very quickly from these wounds. So here's 2 days later, this dog was anesthetized. It was just shaved and clean. It's already healing within 2 days. And at that time, they did a surgery to trim out some of that scar tissue, and this dog went on to do very well. And this dog was only in our system for about a week before it was adopted.